Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the exact file and its path so you don't chase the wrong target. Once done, show hidden items and file extensions in File Explorer to reveal renamed or masked files. Make sure to run command prompt as administrator. Elevated privileges avoid permission blocks. Now type cd to the folder path and dir to list files. If the file name appears, you've isolated the issue. If not, proceed to check shortcuts and registry entries next. Next, locate the real file using a targeted search, so you fix the reference instead of guessing. Use PowerShell or Explorer to search the drive and include system and archived folders. This catches moved or renamed files. Check Recycle Bin and OneDrive sync history in case the file was deleted or moved to cloud storage. Inspect the shortcuts target and file association if an app won't open the file. Once you've found the file, update the shortcut, finally repair the reference and verify everything works. If a shortcut was broken, recreate it pointing to the correct file. If the executable is missing, reinstall or re-register the app. Run SFC and DISM to repair corrupted system files that can falsely trigger cannot find file errors. Make sure to reboot and test opening the file. If problems persist, check a new user account or restore from backup. Troubleshooting tip. If antivirus quarantined it, check quarantine logs and restore the file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.